In this video, I'm going to show you how to align text in Photopea. Text alignment in Photopea works in two different ways, depending on how the text is created. You can either type text freely by clicking once on the canvas, or you can first create a text box and then type inside it. Understanding this difference is important because alignment behaves differently in each case. First, select the Type tool from the left-hand side of the screen. Click anywhere on the canvas and start typing your text. You can press the Enter key to move your text onto a new line and create multiple lines of text. Once the text is written, you can reposition it anywhere on the canvas using the Move tool. When text is created by simply clicking and typing, alignment is based on the center point where the text was placed. Even if you choose left or right alignment, the text will align relative to that central point rather than an actual edge. This means that left-aligned text may still appear centered overall, which often causes confusion for new users. To get more precise alignment, create a text box instead. Select the Type tool again, but this time click and drag on the canvas to draw a text box before typing. Once you type inside this box, alignment options such as left, center, and right will work relative to the edges of the text box itself. If you want to align multiple text layers together, select the first text layer from the Layers panel, then hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac and select the second text layer. When both layers are selected, alignment options will appear at the top of the screen, allowing you to align the text layers to the left, center, or right relative to each other. And this is how you can align text in Photopea.